Hi, Keira from Anton here. Welcome back to our teacher series, where we will show you everything a teacher needs to know about Anton. Today, I'm going to show you how you can preview units and levels. Previewing a unit can help you figure out if it fits with your lesson plans, how long the activities will take so you know how much to assign, and what kinds of examples and explanations are included, so you can judge the difficulty level before pinning exercises for your students. Once you've identified the unit that you're interested in assigning, navigate to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You can select the rectangle with the eye to preview the unit. Now, you can scroll to see an overview of the types of questions asked in this unit, with one example question from each exercise. To preview an entire exercise with an overview of every question, navigate to your desired level and select the 3 vertical dots appearing next to the 3 stars. Then select Preview. You can now see every question in the exercise. And that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe to see more step-by-step tutorial videos on how to use Anton. I hope this has been helpful. Bye!